It's been a while. Just finishing up this project. It's not too bad. It's kind of took me a while. So basically, it's a custom sheath that made specifically for this knife. It's not too bad. It's just I gotta find yeah. Just gotta take it in and have it re-sharpen, probably re-profiled or whatever. So anyway, yeah. So this is just rivets, that's rivet. Those are for the belt loops. You can put it through if you want to carry it on the left side or the right side. Same with if you want to open it, trying to get the blade out, either left side or right side. Well, technically, this goes to this side over here. That's what I kind of came up with. If I do it again, I'll do it through the belt loop or whatever. I'd actually go around it to probably this side, do a button, so just that way, or that way, and then have the same process over this part all the way, and then through the other side, the opposite way, would have a button, so it kind of goes around the knife. So kind of like, let's see, this would go to button here like that, and this one would go all the way through there to over here somewhere. Well, this these are, I have to change these if I do another one, but we'll do the buttons here and here. Those are probably do the rivet down or move it full up, but that's my project. I kind of finished that up, so it's not too bad. I'm done with leather working stuff for the time being because I broke 5 or 6 needles stitching, putting the stitching in here. It came out okay. It's just some spots I think I missed, some of the holes, so went over. Let's see, some spacing or whatever. So it's still, it's not a professional by any standard, just hobby stuff. So it's not too bad. So at least this, all the knives, the knives have sheaths now, except for the foldable ones, but that's foldable. The fixed blade ones was a pain. So this was pretty difficult to do because the template, I keep messing the template up on this one. And yeah, yeah, I'm done with leather working stuff for the time being. Because I have some needles, but the ones I was using, the saddle stitching, kind of broke, and then had to switch to uh, non saddle, like regular. If you're sewing regularly, you know, not leather, not leather. Well, technically, it I, but that was for standard sewing type of stuff. If you're not doing saddle stitching or whatever type of other stitching, I had to use improvise. So it's okay. It's not too bad. So this color is kind of like a cream white-ish, and of course gold wanted a little different, you know, instead of dope colors. So trying to make it pop a little bit, silverish, whatever. It's not too bad. Anyway, that's what I've been up to for some time. Not really doing any videos or anything. Just yeah. Well, we had rain and then we got nothing but like heat, and now we're back to being. Now we're back to having rain, but with the rain, it's more like heat. It's humid and yeah, Texas. Whatever. Anyway, that's about it for this one. Have a good one. See you next one. Bye.